Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scroll animation in webflow. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser and then just select the element you want to animate as the user scrolls. Go to the interactions panel, click on the element trigger and select while scrolling in view. Define the starting and ending point for animation by setting keyframes at different scroll positions, and then adjust the animation. Customize properties like opacity, position, scale, or rotation to create the desired effect, and then test the animation by previewing your site and fine-tune as needed. Tip: keep the animation subtle for smooth user experience. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.